Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter GeForce GTX 1660 gaming OC6G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website. Then click on product, and this is your graphic card. Just click on it. And then click on support. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 7, all operating system installation same. So Nvidia driver, and this is size, and click to download. This is download icon, click to download, it will start downloading. After that click on this icon, it is start downloading. It will take some time to download, and it is completed. Then click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.